Hi guys, welcome to another travel vlog, and I'm so excited to share this vlog with you guys because I'll be sharing my first experience doing scuba diving. I'm so excited because I've always wanted to do this for the longest time since I could remember, and tomorrow I finally get to do it. So this afternoon we're gonna have some scuba diving lesson before we scuba dive tomorrow in the morning. So I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog and find it interesting. So let's go! We just finished the session in a swimming pool. It was literally it was fun. It was I wouldn't lie, I was so nervous in the beginning, even though it's like in a pool, because I'm definitely not used to like breathing with my mouth. And I like how like when they're explaining the stuff, like the steps that we need to learn to get ready to scuba dive, they also like keep reminding us to take care of the ocean, like take care of the corals and the fishes that lives in the ocean. And I can't wait to show you guys more. Alright guys, so we came back from MENJANGAN Island and it was one of the best experiences in my life. I'm really glad I decided to face my fear and do that because it was just amazing. Seeing the marine life from a different perspective, being down there and explore the ocean, it was just like, it's hard to put it into words. It was just like an unforgettable experience. On our first dive, I was kind of like panicking and I was trying to swim to the surface and I was breathing heavily, and then after that the instructor tried and calmed me down. I just need to stay calm and then focus on my breathing and just enjoy everything the marine's life has to offer. And it was all good after that. It was amazing. I was able to enjoy the whole dive. So we saw turtles, colorful fishes, starfish. I didn't get to film a lot of clips because I was trying to like focus on my breathing and just enjoy the moment. But yeah, this experience just helped me develop a newfound respect for the ocean and being more aware of the impact that we are creating on this ocean's fragile ecosystem. We all can help to reduce factors that threatening our beloved ocean, whether it's by reducing waste or even like reserve water and many more things. I hope that this vlog will not only encourage you to go on adventures but also start taking care of our environment. So that's it for the vlog for today, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!